I'm now going to talk through the registration process to use the self-service portal and access everything you need to connect to the Ozone API sandbox. So from here, I'm going to click through to the self-service portal. The first thing I need to do is register. This is a basic form where I provide my name, my contact details, my company details, and the domain. This starts the registration process, and once approved, you'll get a confirmation email. So now I've received that, I can return and log in. Here, I'll enter my email address. Once I submit that, I'll get a code sent to me by email. So now I'll input the code. And once I've input the code, I'll be asked to enter the organization name. Now this must be unique. And once that's done, you're registered to use the Ozone API sandbox. Now this screen shows all the steps required to connect to and use the sandbox APIs. You'll find your client ID and client secret. These are required for the API flows, as well as basic redirect or callback URIs, which you will get the confirmation codes. We assign a set of users too, which you can use to log in. We provide Postman collections and environment files and certificates that you can download. The next step is to download your client profile from this screen. This will be required in Postman. And you can download the transport certificates and the key pairing. And finally, you download the Postman collection. Once you have all these artifacts downloaded, you can then import into Postman and start consuming the open banking APIs. Next, we'll head to Postman.